Well, we're lucky to have Kristina Partsinevelos at the table with us today, who covers this company, knows it like the back of your hand. Can they live up to their own hype? I mean, I feel like we're at that stage where we need to ask that. It's like that, what was it, 2 or 3 quarters ago? They had the, tremendous blowout. The guidance was incredible. And then, as Amy was saying, they had another good quarter, but the stock didn't react well. And now we've been on this huge run.
To your point, I actually have a graph that shows just how well they beat in Q1 and Q2. Q1 for revenue, it was like 11% higher, which, you're like, 11% higher. That's a pretty decent beat. Last quarter, Q2 is 20%. So can they keep this momentum going? That is the big question for this earnings period. If I were to pick 3 main focuses, yes, supply constraints like Josh mentioned, but Microsoft's CTO said in September that is improving. Management on the earnings call last time, Nvidia did say that they expect supply to grow every single quarter sequentially. The other point would be China. That is a major overhang, maybe not right now because they said there'll be no near-term impact, but you do have these export controls, and when China contributes 20 to 25% of data center revenue, you have to factor that in maybe a year from now when all of this the supply issues subside and everybody gets the backlogs of the GPUs they ordered. And then lastly is data center demand beyond 2024.
Jimmy, you're kind of new to the party. Better late than never.
I mean, I'm enjoying it regardless.
Remind us and our viewers when you bought the stock.
So I bought it in 2 tranches, and I'm at a 2% weighting right now, which is 2/3 of the S&P 500 weighting. But I bought it, over the summer in 2 tranches, and it's about a $440 average price target. Compared to somebody like Josh, I look like a piker, but we're up at 500. This feels pretty good. I'm enjoying the party. Look, I think the way that a newbie like me, looks at this is that this is a multi-year investment. We can talk about valuation, as Josh has pointed out many times. That's kind of irrelevant. Still, I'm going to do it, though, because you know what? 29 times forward earnings for a company that's growing 60% year over year earnings per share. I think that's actually a bargain. Now, can they live up to the hype, your question? I think they will, but I'm also going to say this. I wouldn't know how to trade the stock today for tomorrow, which is not what I'm doing. I'm a long-term investor. If they blow it out of the park tonight, I wouldn't be surprised if the stock gave up a little bit because of all the returns that you've just spoken about. That says nothing negative about the long-term potential for this stock. All I'm saying is when you have a stock that rallies this much, it's not unusual to give back a little bit after even a blowout earnings. I wouldn't be surprised if it happens.
Not a shareholder, but an observer, obviously, and you own, between Alphabet and Meta. Look, these stocks have done month to date. Meta's up 11.5%. Everything but Amazon is up double-digit percentage points month to date. So you do have a lot riding on it without owning it, by virtue of the fact that these things have traded often as a group.
Yeah. No, absolutely. Look, I think the fundamentals are extremely strong. It's $1 trillion total addressable market. They're capturing a bulk of it, the majority of it, for now. It's a long game, though, Scott. But they are definitely benefiting from a different mix, the next-gen chip, as Josh talked about, better volumes, better ASPs. So you're going to have explosive growth and great margins, and that is really very powerful. That being said, the stock is up 241%. Year to date, that's a big number. I would rather own Broadcom, that I do, and that's trading at 23 times, and their AI component is going to go from 10% of the total revenue mix last year to 25% next year, and I suspect that number is probably conservative. So I'm playing it, and to your point, yes, I'm also playing Amazon, and I'm also playing Meta and Alphabet. I think if Nvidia is weak today or tonight, I think people are going to buy it because I think you're seeing this chase into the end of the year on all of these names. Yeah. So I think that's what's really going on, and I think it's going to continue.